Me, you get up saying no be me and Anita because me I go you and the girl go cut off mad before. You dey crazy. You dey mad. Are you mad? Eh? You came in front of me to ask me stupid questions. This girl, are you smoking something bigger than you? Are you okay? Are you okay?
Hey guys, a lot is happening in Biggie's house now. As in, these guys came in, they didn't even allow a second. Boom. The fire don't begin the burn for Biggie house. I don't know the kind of orientation they've given them before coming inside the house, but babes were really prepared. Like at some point I'll be like, these people are trying to overdo this thing. They will not know that they sent them in to instigate them and probably, spike them to start doing something in the house. But I thank God that Wani was just comporting herself since their entrance. I just hope they don't go come where Wani did. So how this fight started was that Nelly was complaining to Kelly, why would Topher overhug Dami when they came inside the house? Like he didn't respect Anita, this and that. If it were her, that the way she would deal with Topher, next time, go try that kind of nonsense. Both him and the person that he hugged, rubbish. And I was like, see the Nelly we know they talked before. How you can't they instigate your friend? They push your friend, make she go they fight when not even necessary. Even to the point that Topher himself now begin the fret. He was frightened that he even had to have conversation with Dami. Like the hug was that she overhugged him. I was like, Topher they craze. Topher know they use him sense. He don't know that Big Bro actually did that to start doing something, shaking their hips. So Topher now started explanation to Dami. Dami was like, how is it her business? How is it her business? Guys, this week go long go. So after Topher finished having that conversation, he returned back to Anita. To the point that Anita was like, I saw the way you were shining teeth when you hugged Dami. Like you were so excited. The guy was like, the guy explained tired. I was like, is this what Topher is going to do? All of a sudden, the girl now decided to close the case with you see, mouth to mouth. I was like, So Dami don't shake this thing small, just small entrance, just small hug. Dami now shake the whole situation. Now, can we go back to Nelly and CHINWE's drama? So they were discussing about Bbnaija, and the way they were saying it was not sitting well with CHINWE. At some point, CHINWE was like, people were saying that I'm sabotaging the Bbnaija before when I was in the house. Now I'm here, that she's going to partake very well, this and that. I don't know how to tell you. Nelly put mouth. Fiam, two of them started quarreling. To the point that she started warning Nelly. Nelly was like, you've gone out because of your too much shouting. But now she has returned. Nelly was like, very soon you go back again. And like, I'm not going anywhere. I'll be here when you go. Stupid girl. Fight don't start to. Two of them now started looking at each other. But when they were still talking that one, it has not gotten raged. They were just sitting down throwing shades at each other. The person I pitied most in this whole situation is Kelly. Kelly doesn't know what to do again because they have a villager to present. So he was just so confused and didn't know what to do. So Nelly and CHINWE kept on throwing shades. Next thing was Onyeka now having conversation upstairs with Wani. I was like, that these people just want to spoil the relationship she has with Ozzy. I was like, hey, Onyeka has come again. Which kind of conversation is this? So Wani on her own was just busy saying these people came for visiting. Once they are done, they will get out of the house. I was like, oh, there is going to be trouble in this house. So next thing, we started hearing shout again. It was now Nelly going to CHINWE and was like, you dey crazy, you dey mad. From there, CHINWE now stood up, say, it be like say you dey mad. It be like say you don't smoke something, wake past you dey crazy, animal, blah blah blah. The words too much. I was like, what is this? What is happening? What is happening? Kelly don't even know where to start from again. Just trying to distrust this Bbnaija thing. I hope they win this Bbnaija. Guys, what do you think? Do you think they were too fast in the whole thing they came to do in the house? Or do you think that you needed it like that? Just the boost. Let me know what you think in the comment section, guys. And if you've watched to this point, guys, thank you so much. So if you're new here, please kindly go to the subscribe and notification button, click them, and don't forget to always like my videos. Don't forget to always comment. I always like to see your comments because this current gist, I need comments, so it's too much, plenty. See you guys in my next video. Bye.